it's Michelle, and if you've been following along, you've seen that we are in the last leg of our trip. We are heading to Vienna. Vienna is one of the most beautiful cities that I've ever been to. It reminds me a lot of Paris mixed with maybe a little bit of London, but a little slower pace than London. It's a beautiful city, and my favorite Christmas markets have been in here for the larger cities. The food is excellent and the shopping is amazing as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did the trip. Okay, we are on the train and we are heading to Vienna. Last stop on the trip. It was about a 2.5-hour journey into Vienna, and we arrived just as the sun was setting. So after checking into our hotel, we headed out for a nighttime walking tour to get our bearings of the city. Vienna at night is absolutely breathtaking. The twinkling lights everywhere, the grand historic buildings lit up, and the smell of roasted chestnuts in the air. It already felt like something out of a fairy tale. Honestly, Vienna to me felt like a little bit of Paris, a little bit of Rome, and a little bit of London all in one. Our first Christmas market stop was Maria-Theresien-Platz, nestled right between the Museum of Natural History and the Museum of Art. So this is a potato raclette with speck, which is bacon or ham. And then I got the apple strudel hot drink. It's not technically a gull wine, I don't think, but this is the best one I've had so far. This market was the perfect introduction to Vienna's Christmas spirits, with the cozy wooden huts selling handmade ornaments, mulled wine, and some of the best potatoes I've ever had. Now, we took a stroll back down through the city, and we just experienced Vienna at night, from the local musicians, to the ambiance, to the street performers. It was such a great night. I will say Vienna's train system was very easy to navigate. I highly recommend it. The next morning, we made our way to Schönbrunn Palace, one of Vienna's most iconic sites. We took a guided tour through the palace, exploring rooms once lived in by Empress Sisi and Emperor Franz Joseph. The architecture, the gold, the chandeliers, every inch felt like stepping back in time. It's a little bit of a rainy morning here, but you can see we are outside Schönbrunn Palace, and we just did the tour inside. Now, there's a Christmas market that's right in front of the palace, so we're going through here, doing a little bit of shopping. We're gonna get some lunch. We took the train over to the Art Advent Market on Karlsplatz. This was my absolute favorite market. In fact, I went twice while I was in Vienna. It's a little bit more different of a vibe. If you're looking for something a bit more artsy and alternative, you are going to find this here. This is going to be where more of the handmade, curated artisan crafts are going to be. I probably bought the most at this market for both myself and for my family. The handmade gifts were beautiful, and they had a little bit for everyone here. A little petting zoo, some kids crafts as well. I will say this market is one of the top markets to check out when you are in Vienna. If you are looking for which market the locals are shopping in, it's definitely Spittleberg. Now this is tucked away in a neighborhood with narrow cobblestone alleys. It had such a great local and authentic charm. It was a bit less polished and more intimate. Think candles, ceramics, artisan soaps, little wine bars tucked in between the stalls. It felt like you stumbled upon a secret corner of Vienna. Okay, I am going to take you around Vienna and show you guys the Christmas market. So let's go into this one. We saved one of the best markets for last. Now, this was the Rathausplatz Christmas market in Vienna. It is one of the most famous Christmas markets. And wow, we've been to a lot of Christmas markets across Europe now, but this one, it's on another level. They have the towering trees wrapped in lights, an enormous ice skating rink, and row after row of festive stalls. It was magical, lively, and completely unforgettable. Vienna during Christmas is more than just beautiful, it's an experience. From imperial palaces to cozy cake shops and bustling markets to quiet alleyways, it wrapped us in the warmth and wonder from the moment we arrived. If you're planning a Christmas market trip, Vienna needs to be on your list. Thank you so much for joining us on this festive journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next trip.